It's track or die.
Oh yeah!
Hello, motivated family. So today we're going to be showing you how to administer your vaccination shots for your puppies. So make sure you have your shot records. You can either get them at the feed store or you can go to your local veterinarian and get your shot records. So what we're going to show you is we're going to show you how to mix your vaccination for your pups. First thing you're going to do, once you get your package from the feed store, you are going to make sure you have a liquid form and your powder form, and I'm going to show you how you mix both. Make sure you have your caution bottle to dispose your needles once you're finished using your needles. So we're going to insert our needle into the liquid first. Make sure you get all the liquid into that needle. And what you're going to do after you get all your fluids, liquid into the needle, you're going to put that same liquid into your powder form. Don't forget to get the air out. And it should gradually mix into your powder form. Make sure you shake until you're comfortable that everything is mixed. You put your needle back into your mixture and you're ready to administer your shot. Make sure you get all the liquid and make sure you get the air out. You get your puppy and make sure you're administering your shots when your puppy is 6 to 8 weeks old. When you're administering your shot, make sure you get a pocket at the neck area between the skin. You administer your vaccination and you're done. So like I said, everything, you should start your puppy first shots at 6 to 8 weeks. And then after that, administer your booster shots every 3 to 4 weeks until your puppy is 16 to 17 weeks old. Now we're going to show you how to administer a dewormer to your puppy. There is your dewormer at 1 milliliter. You just squeeze gently on both sides of the jaw and you administer your dewormer to the side of the mouth. And just take your time. Make sure your puppy is getting all the liquid in and you massage the throat. Make sure everything is done. Once you're done, we're going to show you also, if you want to know how to declaw your puppy, we will show you how to declaw your pups. Make sure you are clipping right at the pink. Do not go below the pink on your puppies because that's where the main veins are in the claws. So once you're declawing, just make sure you start at the tip and do not go where it is like a pink area on your puppy claws. Anything you want to say?
Till next time, y'all boy be great.
Stay motivated.
That's the wifey right there. Yes, sir.